Hello everybody! So you're interested in teaching in the USA? Well, in this video, I'm gonna walk you through the do-it-yourself application using the 7 lucky steps to start your career in the USA. Let's get on! Hey, what's up? This is Elliot Timbal with PowerUp, your instruction helping you build your career to land a teaching career in the USA. On this channel, we do share instructional tips, strategies, and inspiration. So, if you are new in here, consider subscribing. In this episode, we will explore and explain the 7 lucky steps you have to go through to obtain your J1 visa. Do it your own application. The J1 Teacher Program is a non-immigrant cultural exchange which gives foreign teachers the opportunity to teach in the accredited primary and secondary schools in the United States. If you're a teacher, you need to apply for a J1 visa for teachers. However, you must do some homework before you start the process. It's important to know the eligibility criteria, what documents you need to submit, and what are the application steps. So, here are now the 7 lucky steps you can take. Step 1. Determine your eligibility for a J1 visa. You must be currently employed as a teacher in your country of nationality or legal residence. You must have a degree equivalent to a U.S. bachelor's degree in the subject you intend to teach. You must be a non-U.S. citizen. You must be 18 years of age or older. You must be eligible for teaching in a primary and secondary schools in your home country. You must have at least 2 years of teaching experience in a school. You must have a good reputation and character. Possess sufficient proficiency in the English language. Step number 2. Find a district or a state where there is a high need for a J1 teachers. What are the states with the largest number of J1 teachers? This might include North Carolina, South Carolina, California, Texas, Arizona, Florida, and New Mexico. Once you identify the state, you can now find any school district located in your chosen state and start applying on their website for current teaching openings. Step number 3. Prepare your credentials or documents for evaluation and licensing. A credential evaluation is the evaluation of your degree or diploma, as it basically analyzes your degree to provide an American equivalency. In this step, you need to obtain a foreign credential evaluation from an approved USA agency where you are applying. Remember, each school district or state or county has their own recognized credentialing agency, and you need to find the credentialing agency that suits you and your chosen state. You need to prepare your official diploma and transcript in the original language with certified English translation. The course-by-course credential evaluation report identifies and describes each diploma or certificate and provides an equivalency for each document. After the credentialing evaluation, apply for a teaching license. Go to the Department of Education website of the state where you want to apply. Look for the steps on how to obtain a teaching license. In New Mexico, for example, foreign teachers can apply for a teaching license without a social security number. Step number 4. Look for an opening through a school website. Apply to become a teacher in the state where you are interested by completing a thorough application. When applying online, be sure you have your customized cover letter and resume. Resume and cover letter are 2 professional documents you need to when you are applying online and even in person. A resume lists your qualifications, and a cover letter supplements your resume and serves as a way to convince your employer that you are what they are looking for. Step number 5. Secure an offer of employment. You must get a job offer from an employer and present the letter of employment with any of the designated sponsoring agencies I mentioned in my previous videos. The employment offer letter with detailed information about potential work activities letter must contain the following information: your job title and a job description, the start and the end dates, the location of the site or the school, the number of hours per week of your employment, of course, the salary, how much is the salary, the name and address of your school. Once you have completed the contract and secure an offer letter of employment, proceed to step number 6. Step number 6. Find a sponsor for your visa. To participate in the exchange visitor program, foreign nationals must be sponsored by one of the State Department designated sponsors. Once you have the letter of employment or the job offer, find the designated sponsoring agency for the processing of the Form DS-2019 or the Certificate of Eligibility for Exchange Visitor J1 status. It is the basic document used in the administration of the Exchange Visitor Program. Once you obtain a Form DS-2019 from a sponsor, you may apply for an exchange visitor visa at the nearest U.S. Embassy or consulate in your country of residence. The designated sponsoring agency will direct you through the specific steps you need to complete to be prepared for your visa interview during that time. You need to go to the U.S. Embassy for a consulate interview. The final approval of your teacher visa must be granted by an immigration officer at your local U.S. Embassy or consulate. If you want to bring any family members such as your spouse and children under 21 years of age, you need to inform your designated sponsoring agency prior to your interview. Step number 7. Schedule your arrival date, travel, and accommodations. Once your visa is approved, you should prepare for your flight schedule and accommodations. The designated sponsoring agency will work with you to schedule your arrival date, travel, and accommodations. Those are the 7 lucky steps of landing your dream job as a teacher in the USA. I am requesting everybody to write a comment below and share your J1 Exchange Visitor Program experiences. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and see you for another round of PowerUp Your Instruction. Bye!